Welcome to our channel. Let's dive into how you can verify your Teespring seller account step by step to unlock all selling features and build trust with your customers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll walk you through the detailed process of verifying your Teespring seller account so you can smoothly start selling your custom merchandise without any issues. First, ensure you have already created your Teespring seller account and completed your profile information, including your display name and payment details. After that, follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your Teespring account using your registered email and password. Step 2. Navigate to the dashboard on the top right corner and click on your profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear. Step 3. Choose the option labeled Account Settings, which takes you to your account overview. Step 4. Scroll down until you find the section called Identity Verification. If you had not submitted any documents before, you will see a Start Verification button. Step 5. Click on Start Verification, and you will be prompted to upload accurate government-issued identification documents accepted by Teespring. These can include passport, driver license, or national ID card. Make sure the images are clear and all information visible. Step 6. Complete the required personal information, including your full legal name, date of birth, and address. Make sure it matches exactly as shown on your identification documents. Step 7. Submit the form and documents. Once submitted, Teespring's team will review the information. Usually, the verification process takes from a few hours to a couple of days, so be patient and check your email for status updates. Step 8. After approval, you will receive confirmation within your Teespring account, and via email your seller account is now verified, meaning you can access more selling features, and your customers can trust you more. Step 9. If your verification is declined, carefully read the feedback given, correct any mistakes, and resubmit the documents for review. Step 10. Keep your account and verification documents up to date, especially if there are changes in your personal information. Remember, maintaining a verified seller account is essential for uninterrupted access to Teespring services and payouts. Following these simple steps will help you verify your account without hassle and start your journey as a trusted seller on Teespring.